So in today's video, I am not going to talk about any new English word or any learning. I want to discuss about a root cause, why we are not so fluent in English speaking. Still, we are doing lots of efforts. I don't believe this is the only reason is that we don't have any strong vocabulary. I think we all know enough words which is required for daily English conversation. It happens so many times that you have lots of words in your mind, but it is not coming to your mouth when it is required. You might have learned a 2 3 new English words every day, but when it requires to use them, you are totally blank. Your mind is full of words thought. We write a lot, but we don't speak much. We don't have that surrounding. We don't have any people near us who could converse with us in the same language. So lack of practice is the main thing which is stopping you to be a fluent. And second thing is your hesitation. You sometimes, when you are alone, you could speak for a minute, for 5 10 minutes without pause, but when it comes in front of anyone, you start feeling hesitate. You shiver, you scared, and you feel so hesitant. Oh my god, if I did something wrong, they might laugh on my face, and which is very natural. And I don't know why. I mean, it's just a language. We in our country, I don't know, in every country, everyone everyone symbolize your intelligence from your English knowledge. I mean, it is happening nowadays. If you are speaking fluently without being paused, and you are using some advanced English word, which means you are an intelligent person. And if you are talking in Hindi, so they might not take you seriously, especially in corporate world it happens. And I think you would agree with me. So anyway, let's come to the topic again. So what I wanted to say, that one thing which will also help you in speaking, try to speak slowly. Don't rush while speaking. Take your time, and don't try to speak so fast, and it will, you know what happened, you would start fumbling, and then you will lose your confidence, and then you will surrender. Oh, I'm not able to make it. So the best part would be, if you really want to speak fluently, nicely, so if you are at a beginning, if you are a beginner, you are at your learning stage, so speak slowly. Speak and use some simple words which will help you in gaining confidence that yes, I can speak. So don't try to use very higher advanced English words, or don't try to speak so fast. Speak softly, and using some simple word will definitely help you in gaining confidence. So the so which I concluded that if you are at your learning stage, you are a beginner, start speaking English. Don't only study, speak also. You need to keep that practice in reality. It will not going to help you that you are just reading and reading and reading and you are not speaking. No matter how good you are reading, you might know the Oxford level of vocabulary, but if you are not in the practice, it will not gonna help you. So if you really want to be fluent, you need to start speaking. Okay, surround yourself from English, read English news, chat with your friends in English, and so start thinking in English. Yes, I am very much serious, it will definitely help you. What would be the benefit of this? It's like your brain would be habitual of that language if you would start thinking English. Okay, so I am ending this video now by saying one amazing quote: practice makes a person perfect. Yes. So if you really want to be fluent, are doing practice. If you really like this video, please hit on bell icon and make sure to press top bell so that you will get my all the notifications, and subscribe this channel, share with your friends who is struggling for learning English. I did some grammatical mistakes while speaking. You need to figure out which are those. Just listen the video again and note down what are the mistakes which I have done in this video.